Hello there. I want to keep this quite simple and brief. Our friends down south need some help. Nova Scotia here has had its pains when it comes to hurricanes and the damage and fear that it causes, and we understand what it's like to have to go through that, as I'm sure Florida does as well. But Florida needs our help. They have been hit over and over again, and now Milton is coming through at a brutal pace, and they need some assistance where they're not going to be able to easily get that. OQULi is committing 20% of all the sales of their product for Cody to go towards this effort, which will be stacked onto a GoFundMe account that is off to the side. We're looking to raise about $250,000. If we go more, that's excellent. It'll go a long way towards helping out. The funds that we get from this fundraiser will be used to rebuild and repair any houses that have been lost. We would love for the AEC community to band together. All those that I know in the industry, please pool together and help out in this initiative. We have a chance to really do some good. And I have friends out there. I've been through this. I've had my entire lot raised from the last hurricane that came through here. And I know what you're going through. It is not a great experience. With the evacuation calls and everything that's happening at the moment, let's take this seriously. Let's, as a group, make a difference and donate.